Hey guys, welcome to M&M Plants. Today I want to share why I keep my plants together like in a community and not isolated. What is the reason and what are the benefits of keeping the plants together? So do watch this entire video so that you can keep your plants together and help them to grow faster. Let's get started. Whether it is inside my house or outside, I prefer keeping the plants together in a community because first things first, it gives a great look and I just love that look when all these plants are together. It helps the plants to create their community, which definitely helps them to grow faster, stay alive, shine, and enjoy their life. Grouping the plants increases humidity for sure. Plants will get that proper humid and moist climate which they need so that they don't have crispy or brown leaves and that they can grow faster. And propagation is also easy. I mean, planting your new plants using propagation is also easier when they are all together. So I would definitely keep them together because when the water evaporates from the leaves, the branches, the stems, and the soil of every single plant, that creates a natural humidity for your plants. Every single plant has a very good vibe, and the vibes that they generate helps the other plants around them to stay calm, to stay relaxed, and to stay healthy. If you keep in mind what the plants and the health of the plants and trees is when they are in a forest or in a park, when they are all together, you will observe that they enjoy their life, and it's because they are all together and not isolated. And the same thumb rule applies when they are in your garden, inside your house, or anywhere wherever you have planted. So I would highly recommend all of you to keep your plants together. Also, if you have planted your plants in ground, what they do is when you plant them together, the roots underneath the soil, they come in contact with each other, they create that network, they exchange nutrition from each other, they support each other. That's why soil erosion can be stopped when a lot of trees are planted, and this entangled form network will help all the trees and plants to stay connected and stay strong. Hence, I would encourage all of you to keep your plants together, give them that community so that they can enjoy their life. With that, I'll see you next time in the next video with something new so that you can enjoy gardening a lot, do a lot of gardening, and never quit gardening. Bye for now.